What is the Uncanny Valley? It is a fascinating concept in the field of robotics. It describes the strange feeling of unease or revulsion that people experience when a robot looks too much like a human, but isn't quite perfect. To understand it better, think of a curve. At first, the more human a robot looks, the more we like it, like animated characters that are stylized yet expressive. But when that resemblance becomes nearly perfect, our affinity plummets. This is where we enter the valley, feeling repulsion from subtle details like lifeless eyes, inexpressive skin, or slightly robotic movements. Our affinity only returns when the robot is so realistic that it becomes indistinguishable from a real human. A clear example of this are the older digital animation characters, such as those from the movie The Polar Express. Their glassy eyes and slightly artificial facial movements caused a sense of discomfort in many viewers. On the other hand, robots that don't try to be realistic, or characters from movies like Toy Story, which are stylized and very expressive, don't cause us that feeling. Scientists believe it's a psychological mechanism of our brain. As humans, we are programmed to recognize and empathize with other people. When we see a figure that looks a lot like a human but isn't one, our brain perceives an error or a sign that something is wrong, which triggers a response of aversion to protect ourselves. This phenomenon is a crucial challenge for designers of humanoid robots, who must decide if they want to create stylized robots that avoid the valley entirely, or if they have the technology to cross it and create figures indistinguishable from humans.